Experience of being a mother is extremely joyful and transformative. Those tiny eyes, small fingers, and that godly smile. All is fine till the baby is not crying. But when that happens, you get bombarded with a million suggestions. Is your baby hungry? I think your baby might have gas. Maybe your baby's diaper needs changing. Is it time for a nap? Reasons are many and the knowledge is vast. The real remedy lies in the past. A perfect blend of 20 precious herbs that are proven to be the best for your baby's development. Balguti by Green Pharmacy. This pack comes along with a knowledge-enriched book that guides you through the process. Rubbing these herbs thoroughly on a stone platform with water or milk will form a homogeneous paste. With each consecutive month, increase one rotation and feed it to your baby daily. Make sure to dry these herbs thoroughly and keep it in airtight containers to preserve their nutritional value. The freshness of purest herbs ensures baby's disease-free growth the natural way. Green Pharmacy. Caring naturally.